Today we're in Iberia, Missouri at a huge corner fenced-in flat lot. We've got a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with an oversized 2-car garage. Inside we have LVP flooring throughout, and we have a large living room and dining room space with wainscoting all the way around, a large kitchen with a nice sized pantry and stainless steel appliances. This house has great character and has been loved for over a century. That's right, you can own a part of history with this well cared for home. So let's go take a look at 505 High Street in Iberia. My name's Ethan Lee with Remax Look at the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Thanks so much for taking a look at this home with me today. For more information or a private tour, give us a call at 800-836-2005, or you can check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.